43311. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, Mom and Sir. I'm Aina Gutierrez Sahagun. I'm 27 years old and I'm single. I have a son at 9 years old and I have a daughter at 12 years old. And I have a brother, 2 brothers and 1 sister. I'm second of the daughter.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm high school graduate at San Matias High School.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
To give a future to my family.
Have you been to any country before as an FW?
Yes, KSA for 3 years.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
Yes.
What can you do for elderly?
Give bath and change clothes and check the vital sign and prepare the foods and medicine.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes.
What can you do for newly born babies and children?
Change diaper and feeding.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
Cooking, tutoring, baking.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Chinese food. I steam the fish and vegetable. And Filipino foods, I cook adobo, menudo, and Italian food, spaghetti and carbonara.
Describe yourself as an housemaid.
Honest and responsibility and hardworking.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
Apologize and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
Treat me like a family.
Message for future employer in Hong Kong.
Dear Mom and Sir, if you choose me for domestic helper, I will do my best and I will do my responsibility hardworking. Thank you.